Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. Here I will be showing you the three-point perspective. Three-point perspective, in my belief, is not really used often unless we're talking about comics. In comics, a lot of times to create extreme depth, which is also used obviously for drawing people, characters, and that, or buildings. Yeah. So in this case, as an easy example, I'll be doing a building to show you how that's done. Again, first thing, we draw a horizon line and your vanishing points 1 and 2, which you know from the previous one. Then we're going to choose a point on the page as our third vanishing point. So this is VP3. Now you can draw, do some lines from your VP1, VP2 and VP3s. Your VP1 is basically showing the extreme depth of your building. Your VP2 and VP1 will be your actual building, and yeah, we can basically take a straight line up as well from the vanishing point, and then from your VP1 we can meet up to there. From your VP2, make another line at the back for the back of the building. Same thing with your VP1, like that. Then you have the point of the back of your building. And you also have your height of the building. So yeah, so let's draw a few more to VP3 and up here. So we have point there, point there, point there. And if we pull these lines down to VP1, and same thing on this side, then you will see it is like looking at a skyscraper from on top that seems to never end at the bottom. So yeah, that's basically how the VP3 is done, or three-point perspective. So yeah, normally with 1 point and 2 point perspective, your lines are always going to be 100% vertical or 90 degrees to your page, whereas the 3-point perspective shows you that these lines that were once vertical lines are now all meeting up at your 3-point perspective. Yeah, and you can pull these lines further down. We can kind of shorten the building. And we can add a sidewalk as well. Remember, it's always going back to this vanishing point. And same thing on this side. And you can insert these lines here, will then show us the stories that we have. So yeah, that's a short tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this. All depends how far you draw the lines out. Gives you a different view, different aspect. So if you do this third vanishing point in the middle more, then you have more centralized. The more left you go, the more it looks like you're also viewing the building from this side. The more you move the point to the right, the more you'll be looking at the building from this side. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this small tutorial, and yeah, stick around for some more. Cool.